In this section, section 1 of module 4, we're going to look at creating your first price chart in TUFXP Charts. In order to do this, we must launch the TUFXP Charts, and we can do this by double left clicking on the shortcut icon that is on the computer's desktop. When you do this, both the TUFXP Charts loads and also the Alpari-MT4 account as well. So there we have the TUFXP Charts. I'm just going to minimize this for a second, and on the taskbar you see the MT4 software. In order to create a price chart in TUFXP for the first time, we have to follow this simple procedure. We just have to make this initial setup. So let's say we want to create a GBP USD chart in TUFXP Charts. What I'm going to do, instead of closing these other charts, I'm just going to maximize this one. And the first thing we've got to do is to create a minute chart. At the moment this chart shows each price bar being 4 hours. So let's left click on the 1 minute, and that takes care of step 1. So we have the 1 minute chart of the currency that we want to trade. And the second thing is in the navigator pane. If it's not showing, then come up to the top here, you can see navigator. Come down to custom indicators, left click on the plus sign to the left of the custom indicators there, and then just scroll down until you see TUFXP data feed. Hold down the left mouse button and drag this onto the chart. Make sure allow DLL imports is checked, as is allow external experts imports. So left click on this, and this will apply the custom indicator, we can see there, and we just click OK to accept. So that's the first part that's done, and that's as long as you have the GBP USD inside of MT4, you will only have to do this once. So now, having done this, we can minimize the Alpari MT4 account. We can go back into the TUFXP Charts. I'm just going to maximize this as well to make it easier for you to see. Come up to File, New Chart. We get the chart menu there, and in the drop down on the left we can see we have GBP USD listed. If not, you can type this in on the top left there as well. So I'm going to left click on this. I'm going to select a 30-minute time frame, and then I'm going to left click on create. There we see the loading chart, and then we get the default chart load in the TUFXP Charts. So what if I wanted to create a Euro USD? So I'd just go back to Alpari, just minimize this, and we've got the USD chart here. It's a 4-hour chart. Again, first step, change it to 1 minute time frame, grab the TUFXP data, custom indicator there, make sure we've got the 2 boxes checked there, left click OK, and then we can see we've got the one on the British pound now and one on the USD. Just minimize MT4, whoops, let's just bring that back, and then go up to USD, and let's say we want a 5 minute of the USD. We select the time frame and then left click on create, and this loads the price chart any second now. And there we have the Euro 5 minute against the USD there. So this concludes setting up a TUFXP chart for the very first time and applying the TUFXP custom indicator to a 1 minute MT4 chart. In the next section, section 2, I'm going to show you how to save a TUFXP workspace, and also you'll see how the initial setup that we created in this video only applies once and once only, unless of course you delete the charts in MT4. So without further ado, let's move on. And should you have any questions regarding this video, then please do get in contact with a member of the support team. They'll be only too pleased to assist wherever necessary.